Hello friends, welcome once again to Saga's Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to this particular question on the board. You understand? You're giving a exponential equation. Please, if today is your first time viewing, kindly click up the follow button to enter another exciting video. You will notify. Let's consider this question on the board. Now, we are given that 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of s equals to 27 divided by 125. We are asked that find the value of what? X. Now, if you come across question like this, it's very simple. Now, I know you say, as Sagas, all the whole question you used to say is very simple. Yes, it's less. So we have 27 divided by 125. What you are going to do? Now, let's consider this numerator. We know that we can also write 27 in index form as what? 3 to the power of what? 3. Because 3 times 3 into 3 places is what? 20 what? 7. Now, 125 can also write it as 5 to the power of what? 3. Because 5 times 5 into 3 places is what? 125. So if that the case, we can also write them as 3 raised to the power of 3 divided by 5 raised to the power of what? 3. You can see? That means they are having the same what? Index. If they are having the same index, one of the properties of index is said that when they are having the same index and even that the base are not the same, we can also open a parenthesis and have 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of what? 3. This all raised to the power of 3 simply means that this power here is affecting what is inside the parenthesis. This power here is affecting both the numerator and the denominator, because I mean that all this is raised to the power of 3. That means when you're having 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power, that means this x is affecting both the numerator, and this s is affecting both the what? Numerator, and also affecting both the what? Denominator. So if that the case, that means the whole of this is equals to 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of what? 3. You can see how simple it is. Very simple and interesting. So if we know that, so what we are going to do is to remove all this and go further to our question. So solution. We are given that into 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of what? X is equals to what? 27 divided by what? 120 what? 5. Now, this will now be what? Into 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of s will be equals to. Now, I will now write 27 as 3 raised to the power of 3, because 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? 27, divided by 5 raised to the power of 3, because 5 raised to the power of 3 is what? 125. This now be what? Into 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of x is equals to. Now, when you can see that the base are the same, so the base I can open a parenthesis and write what? 3 divided by 5 all raised to the power of 3, because since I'm having the same index, because this index simply means that this index is affecting both the 3, which is the numerator. This index is also affecting the numerator, which is 5, and you can see from here. So you can see that we are having the same basis this side. You can see that 3 divided by 5 is that, and 3 divided by 5. So what we are going to do here is to just equal the power, since they are the same. So we can do without this. They will go. And now see that you can see that x is equals to what? 3. Because do you know why I'm saying that? If you have b raised to the power of n is equals to b raised to the power of a. You see? So when the base are the same, this will go. You can see that means n is equals to what? A. If we agree by this property or this function of exponential equation, that means this 3 divided by 5 is like the b, and this 3 divided by 5 is also the b by my right hand side. And this power you are seeing here, this n and this a, is like the x and what? 3. So you can see that if we agree to this, that means s will be equals to what? 3. So this implies that our x is equals to what? 3. And this is just a clear solution to this particular problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate to like this video, comment on this video, and also share with your friends. I always say that share so that others will learn. Who knows whether someone is like assignment to others, who knows whether someone will finding this difficult, but the process of you sharing this video, you already transfer knowledge to others. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.